Good morning, students. Welcome back to English class. Students, in the last video, we have learned the first two paragraphs of the first chapter, A Letter to God. Now, in this video, we are going to learn further from here. Be the satisfied expression, he regarded the field of ripe corn with its flowers draped in a curtain of rain. Here is a beautiful imagery used by writer. He said, be the satisfied expression. Lencho was very much satisfied and he regarded the field of ripe corn. He also thanked the field of ripe corn. He say thankfully, he feel thankful to the field of ripe corn, in which is covered by its flowers. Means the ripe corn was full of flowers and the lencho thanked the field of ripe corn. Draped means covered, draped in a curtain of rain, which is means the field was covered with the curtain of rains. Curtain means पर्दा, बारिश के पर्दे के बीच में के पीछे जो ढका हुआ था जो खेत. Here is a beautiful imagery. The rain is like a curtain which covered the field of ripe corn. But suddenly a strong wind began to blow. लेकिन अचानक strong wind began to blow. There was a strong wind. Storm began to blow. And along with the rain, very large hailstones began to fall. Large hailstones. Hailstones means ओले, पत्थर. बड़े बड़े ओले पड़ने लगे. These truly did resemble new silver coins. Here is again very beautiful imagery. The truly did resemble means look like new silver coins. The hailstones look like a silver coins. The boys exposing themselves to the rain. The boy put off their dresses and they ran into the rain. Ran out to collect the frozen pearls. They ran outside his house to collect these hailstones. Here hailstones is compared to frozen pearls. जमे हुए मोती से कंपैरिजन हो रहा है किसका? हेलस्टोन्स का, ओलों का. बच्चे उसको इकट्ठा करने के लिए कपड़े उतार कर बाहर भाग गए. इट इज़ रियली गेटिंग बैड नाउ, एक्सक्लेम्ड द मैन. द मैन सेड, इट इज़ रियली बैड. इट इज़ गोइंग टू ruined. I hope it passes quickly. Lencho said, I hope the hailstorm passes quickly. It stopped quickly. It did not pass quickly, but it did not stop quickly. The hailstones starting falling from in the fields. For an hour, the hail rained on the house, the garden, the hillside, the cornfield, on the whole valley. For an hour, घंटों तक, the hail rained on the house, the garden, the hillside, the cornfield, and the whole valley. The field was white, as if covered with salt. Here also a beautiful imagery. The hailstones which is fallen in the field, the entire valley is compared with the salt, नमक से तुलना की जा रही है यहाँ पर हेलस्टोन्स की. द फील्ड वॉज वाइट एज इफ कवर्ड विथ सॉल्ट. पूरे खेत ऐसे सफ़ेद हो गए थे मानो वो नमक के ढेर से ढक गए हों. नॉट अ लीफ रिमेन्ड ऑन द ट्रीज. द ट्रीज हैव नो लीव्स. ऑल द लीव्स टोटली ruined. द कॉर्न वॉज टोटली डिस्ट्रॉयड. फसल पूरी तरह से बर्बाद हो चुकी थी. द फ्लावर्स वर गॉन फ्रॉम द प्लांट्स. लेंचो सोल वॉज फिल्ड विथ सैडनेस. लेंचो वॉज वेरी सैड. वेन द स्टॉर्म हैड पास्ड, ही स्टूड इन द मिडल ऑफ द फील्ड एंड सेड टू हिज सन. वेन द हेल स्टॉर्म पास्ड एंड द storm blowing is stopped, the Lencho stood in the middle of his field and said to his sons, "A plague of locusts." Locust is an insect which destroy crops. A plague of locusts would have left more than this. A plague of locusts. Plague means mahamari, bimari, which is created by a locust, insect, corn insect. The Lencho said to his son, "The plague of locusts, the swarm of locusts, the group of locusts would have left more than the hailstorm." यदि इसमें टिड्डियों का, लोकट्स मीन्स हिंदी में टिड्डी, टिड्डियों के दल ने भी इससे ज़्यादा छोड़ दिया होता, मीन्स द लोकट्स डिड नॉट डिस्ट्रॉय टोटली द राइप कॉर्न एज द हेल स्टॉर्म डिस्ट्रॉयड. The hail has left nothing. The hailstorm had left nothing. The hailstorm totally destroyed the corn of the field. This year we will have no corn. I have no corn. I have no grain in this year. That night was a sorrowful one. This was the very sorrowful night to Lencho. All our work for nothing. Lencho said that all our work is go in vain. सब व्यर्थ हो गया, सब नष्ट हो गया. There is no one who can help us. There is nobody who can help us in this situation. We will all go hungry this year. This year we will all go hungry. We have no food, we have no grain, because the hailstorm had totally destroyed our corn of fields of corn and grains. Thank you students. Revise these paragraphs. This lesson will be continued in another video.